Now that the sample is fixed, we can go back and titrate the dissolved oxygen sample at a later point in time, as long as it's within 24 hours. For our titration, we have our titration tube and our titrator. We're going to start by filling the titrator so that the circle, the ring on the green, slides all the way to the 0 line. Taking the sodium thiosulfate, insert the titrator into the top and invert. Pull, ensuring that there are no air bubbles. If you have air bubbles, squeeze back and try again. Fill to the 0 line, ensuring no air bubbles. Once filled, you can rest your titrator in the holder and replace the sodium thiosulfate. Next, you're going to take your sample and fill the titrator tube to the 20 milliliter line. Use the pipette to ensure accuracy. Replace the cap. And we're going to add our sodium thiosulfate sample a drop at a time until this becomes pale yellow. If it's already pale yellow, just skip this step. 1 drop, swirl. Be sure not to add too much at any time, because accuracy is really important for getting a measurement. If you're uncertain, place your sample behind a white piece of paper to ensure that it's pale yellow. Once it's pale yellow, open the cap, and we're going to add 8 drops of our starch indicator solution. This will turn our pale yellow sample purple or dark blue. As with all of our other reagents, make sure when you're adding the drops, you completely invert the bottle to ensure a nice clean drop. Swirl gently to distribute. We're going to titrate again, following the 1 drop and swirl until this dark purple turns clear. Once you get to this pale color, be very careful. Use a white sheet of paper to ensure we still have a little bit of purple, so we can add 1 more drop. Our sample is now clear, and we can take our reading. Starting from the top, you're going to read down to where the circle is. So you start 4, and then each of the smaller lines is 0.2. This sample is 4.6. Once you have your reading, record it on the data sheet. And repeat the procedure. Dissolved oxygen has to be within 0.6 milligrams per liter of each other to ensure accuracy. If it's not, repeat a 3rd time.